All right, babe, time to cool it down. I always do a full warm up and a full cool down, whole body experience every time, because even if you are only doing an upper body workout, but let's say you had high knees, let's say you had butt kicks, let's say you had burpees as some cardio acceleration, you need to have that cool down for that lower half as well. So we're keeping those muscles nice and limber, nice and stretched out. Let's do the damn thing. All right, one arm across our chest, just like we did for that warm up, but this time we're gonna hold it. Okay, we do static stretches at the end of our workout. Dynamic in the beginning, static at the end. Switch sides. Ooh, felt that one. That feels good. Nice pull across our chest. Shoulders are sore. All right, both arms down. One arm up overhead. And use that head to push that arm back. Check me out from the side. I'm not here. Open chest, head back as much as I can. And switch sides, arms all the way down first before we're gonna go back up and grab that opposite arm. Again, head straight back. Notice how my body is in one line. I'm not here, I'm not here. Pelvis is neutral, spine is neutral. Arms down. All right, hands right here on your legs, and we're gonna roll down, just like you're a roly-poly. I want you to roll, 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 all the way down as far as you can. Let that head hang. Reaching for those ankles. If you're feeling extra limber, I want you to walk those fingertips down to your toes. It's okay to have a slight bend in your knee here. You wanna be feeling that pull all along the back side of your leg, that lower back. Nice deep stretch. We're gonna roll on up in 3, 2, 1. Hands on our legs the entire way up, rolling, rolling. Last thing to come up is your head. All the way up to the top and squeeze those shoulder blades back, 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 back. Nice big stretch and lower those shoulders back down. All right, use something for balance if you need to. We're gonna grab one foot and then lean forward just a tiny bit. You'll feel an extra pull in that hip and in the front of that leg. Just stretching out those quads. That is the front part of your leg that gets super sore on leg day. Switch sides. Again, grab that foot, little lean forward for that extra pull. Feels good to stretch everything out after a workout. And both feet back down on the ground. Last stretch, okay? I'm gonna have you roll your shoulders forward. 3 big rolls. Full range of motion. Back, 3 big rolls. Think shoulders up to the ears, back to the wall behind you, and down to the floor. Big rolls. Good. Now we're gonna finish up with our neck rolls. We're gonna do 2 in both directions. Take it slow. Keep those eyes open here. Going through this neck roll, you might notice that some areas are a little bit more tender than others. That can show you what you need to stretch out and work on just a little bit more. Opposite direction. Good, back to center. I know I said last thing, but we're gonna go ahead and put our hands right here on our back and then push those hips forward. Just a tiny, tiny, tiny little back bend. Head goes back. Big deep breath. And come to the top. Now you can relax. No excuses. Great job for getting that workout done and warm up and cool down. It means so much. All right, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and enjoyed this cool down.